Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make your Steam profile public. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and on the main Steam interface, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see your username displayed there. Go ahead and click on your username to reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, select View My Profile. This will take you to your personal Steam profile page where you can view all your gaming information and customize your settings. Once your profile page loads, look over to the right panel of the screen. You'll notice an Edit Profile button. Click on this button to access your profile customization options. This is where you can modify various aspects of your profile, including your privacy settings, which is exactly what we need for making your profile public. After clicking Edit Profile, you'll be taken to a new page with several options on the left side. In this left panel, locate and click on Privacy Settings. This section controls who can see different parts of your Steam profile, including your gaming activity, friends list, and inventory. It's essential for managing your online visibility on the platform. Now, in the Privacy Settings page, look for the option labeled My Profile. Right beside it, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down menu and select Public from the available options. By setting this to public, you're allowing anyone on Steam to view your basic profile information, making it easier for friends and other gamers to find and connect with you. Next, look for the option labeled Game Details. Right beside it, click the drop-down menu and select Public. This setting allows other users to see what games you own, your playtime, and your achievements. Making your game details public is great for showcasing your gaming library and comparing progress with friends. Additionally, if you want even more of your profile to be visible, you have the option to make your friends list and inventory public as well. Simply find these options, click their respective drop-down menus, and select Public for each one. This gives other users a complete view of your Steam presence and gaming collection. And that's it! Your Steam profile is now set to public, allowing other users to view your gaming activity and connect with you more easily. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.